First, open the app from your mobile device and sign in with your Answer-Tech credentials. Click on the CHT chart icon on the homepage of the app. Click on the crop, the year of data, and the relative maturity set you want to look at. I have the 105-day corn hybrid set starred, so every time I open the CHT charts, it will automatically open to the 105-day set. Scroll down to view all of the hybrids in the relative maturity set, and click on a single hybrid if you want to single it out and follow it across the bars on the graph. Click on the filter button in the upper right-hand corner to customize the columns of data that you see. You can uncheck as many boxes as you'd like, and you can save a filter, so the next time you come into the filter, you can pick it from the drop-down menu instead of changing the configuration every time. For example, I've unchecked all of the corn on corn boxes for this filter, and this filter will be called my corn on soybean filter. So every time I want to look at hybrids for a field that's on a rotated acre, I can click on corn on soy and only view the columns that have first year corn data. In the search bar at the top of the screen, you can start typing in any hybrid that you want to look at, and it'll bring you to the specific data set for that hybrid. It will highlight the hybrid and single it out. Anytime you want to re-highlight all the hybrids, double click on the bar charts and all the hybrids will re-highlight. Click on the arrow next to a hybrid on any column to view more information for that hybrid. You can add trials from past years to view data year over year for the hybrid. You can view pictures of the hybrid and click on images to view them closer. You can view the hybrid's response to scores and also look at the tech sheet for a hybrid.